Welcome. Now in this module, we're going to take a look at security hardening case study for Active Directory and for Microsoft Active Directory. Now Active Directory domain is the particular Stig, and this is for DISA release 8 from 27th January 2017. Okay, and this is the window when we launch the Stig Viewer. This is the type of window that you will see, and hopefully by now you have tried out the Java applet, which is downloaded from the DISA website, and you are well familiar with the Stig Viewer, and you have downloaded individual Stigs into the Stig Viewer as well as the complete library, and you can select Stigs from the library itself. Okay, so this is the Stig Viewer window. Okay, here's the rule title. Membership to the domain admins group of Active Directory must be restricted to accounts used only to manage the Active Directory domain and domain controllers. Okay, and this is a severity Cat 1, so it's the highest severity and a serious Stig, and this is the Stig ID given here as well on the screen. The discussion behind this says the domain admins group is a highly privileged group. Personnel who are system administrators must log on onto Active Directory systems only onto Active Directory systems only using accounts with the level of authority necessary. Only system administrator accounts used exclusively to manage an Active Directory domain and domain controllers may be members of the domain admins group. A separation of administrator responsibilities helps mitigate the risk of privilege escalation resulting from credential theft attacks. Okay, so that was a discussion, and then we have check content. Review the domain admins group in Active Directory users and computers. Each domain administrator must have a separate and a unique account specifically for managing the Active Directory domain and domain controllers. If any account listed in a domain admins group is a member of other administrator groups, including the enterprise admins group, domain member server administrators groups, or domain workstation administrators groups, this is a finding. So as you can see here, this Stig is being very strict about which types of users would be part of domain admins group, and it's also asking us to have unique accounts for the domain admins group for users, and those accounts should not be part of other groups. And this is so that there's a trail, and it's better organized, and so we have better security for managing the Active Directory. Fixed text. Create the necessary documentation that identifies the members of the domain admins group. So he's asking us to organize this, put it into an SOP. Ensure that each member has a separate, unique account that can only be used to manage the Active Directory, domain, and domain controllers. Remove any domain admin accounts from other administrator groups. So just a follow-up from what the recommendation was. And then the CCI control correlation identifier is telling us the organization implements the security configuration settings, and there's a reference to NIST SP 853 documents like we have talked before. Thank you.